Hello, welcome all to Alfa Laval podcast. Today we are here at ABB Bangalore. As you all know that ABB and Alfa Laval are working together on energy efficiency movement. It's pleasure to have a conversation with Mr. Amit Gupta from ABB. Hello Mr. Amit.
Thanks and giving me this opportunity.
When it comes to heat exchangers, the energy efficiency means the lesser pressure drop, the efficient heat transfer, sometimes AHRI certification. It comes with some extra cost, but in turns customer get energy efficiency. So when we think of induction motors motion business, do you see some challenges in accepting this energy efficiency, industrial challenges?
Yeah, I think opportunity and challenges are two sides of one coin only. But yes, I think we definitely see some challenges, and challenges, one is the mindset challenge from the customer side. Sometimes it is a financial barriers we could see. There are challenges on even the lack of knowledge of how to measure it, lack of knowledge on the technologies which are available, and lack of adoption of the change what is there is also very much there. So I think various areas where we could see there are challenges.
The global companies like Alfa Laval and ABB are working in creating a sustainable future. Like we are working on carbon neutrality, which is 2027, net zero 2050. As an industry leader, ABB, how do you see the implementation of sustainable practices in the market?
Yes, I think on the sustainability side, it is again revolved around energy efficiency and at the same time circularity. So both the aspects of it we are looking at it, and we see that huge amount of investments are looking at it from the ABB research and developmental side. At the same time, how we are going to implement it at the various positions and sites needs to be looked at, and it is applicable for both new projects and new assignments. At the same time, the old installed base what we have.
When we see clean technologies, so the green hydrogen economy is coming up, carbon capture usage and storage is strongly coming up, data centers are coming up. So as an industry leader in motion business, how do you see your contribution in making this sustainable world happen as a leader in motion business?
It's a very interesting aspect of it, because traditionally we were serving the industries, but then the new applications are coming in. If we see from the sector-wise bifurcation, if we look at it, like the data centers which are there. Data centers which we have is a huge load, and the huge load is also on lieu of the HVACs.
Yeah.
So looking into
the
that,
cooling, the liquid cooled servers,
exactly,
wherein our heat exchangers are getting connected, fluid is circulated by ABB induction motors.
Absolutely. So there perhaps we can look at it, the high efficiency motors of i4 or i5 that way. Even looking at into the VFDs, putting into that HVAC applications, and at the same time we are also looking at how efficiently we have the redundancy on the UPS side. So the electrification business also has, though it is the electrification side of our business, but then they are also looking into the UPS, how the redundancy and the efficient way to manage overall power supplies and the redundancy can be managed there in the data center.
First class. It was excellent interacting with you. What I would like to tell the audience that energy efficiency is must. Creating a decarbonization, working on decarbonization is must for generations to have a sustainable future. Any concluding message from your side to our audience?
It is a very, very important topic, and it is a burning situation at this point in time. We should see that how we can really overall contribute as individuals, how we can influence our ecosystem, and how we can really look at in the industry where we are applying ourselves, our equipments, our solutions and our services, both from the new installed base and the old installed base what we are looking at it. So it's so important to sensitize that, try to see that how we can influence the policy makers, how we can see that how we can collaborate with the academias, and looking into those aspects of it, that holistically we address this issue and try to see we contribute more and more, because we see that almost 45% of the motors, the power consumption happens in the motors, through the motors, so, and the motor driven system. So eventually how we can contribute to overall efficiencies, and of course along with the electromechanical efficiency, the thermal efficiency is one of the aspects which Alfa Laval anyway is very much having a domain knowledge. So with this kind of a collaborations and spreading across with the peers, I think this will we will achieve the larger objectives of energy efficiencies aspect of it.
Fantastic. It was excellent interacting with you.
Thank you.
so
It
much.
was my pleasure. Thank you.